Hey guys, Jamie here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. So, as you can see in front of me, hindi smartphone ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. And medyo iba din yung setup natin ngayon. Susubukan natin mag-raw unboxing. Hindi naman siya live unboxing since pre-recorded siya. And if you've noticed, susubukan ko rin mag-Tagalog or at least mag-Taglish sa video na to since alam naman natin na yung target audience para sa specific product na to is the Philippine market. So this is a digital TV receiver guys, and as you can see sa tagline nila, malinaw na, affordable pa. So if you're watching mga GMA shows, definitely you're gonna be getting better video quality. And totoo nga, affordable siya since this is only 888 pesos. So before we get to the actual unboxing guys, tignan muna natin yung special features na naka-highlight sa box. So as you can see here, one-time purchase lang siya. Again, 888 pesos. No monthly fee, so that's definitely a good thing. It can be used as a multimedia player. So kung may na-download kayo ng movies, pwede niyong panoorin using the Affordabox. Personal video recorder din siya guys. So my understanding of this is if you have a favorite show na hindi niyo mapanood dahil busy kayo, pwede nyo siyang record into a USB and then watch it at a later time. Or maybe kung may favorite episode din kayo na, again, gusto nyo ulit-ulitin, yan, pwede nyo siyang gamitin because it is a personal video recorder. Number 3 is you have nationwide emergency warning broadcast system. So in case may bagyo, may lindol, sana naman hindi since 2020 has been trying enough already, at least you get a warning from the National Emergency Broadcast System. And then number 4, functional auto-on alert feature. And I have to be honest, hindi ko alam kung ano talaga to guys. Sana matry natin siya mamaya. And then kung tignan nyo yung likod ng box guys, meron din silang comparison kung ano yung difference between digital TV reception and yung analog TV reception. As you can see, mas maganda talaga yung video quality dito. I'm not sure kung testing natin to sa video na to since maghanap pa ako ng analog antenna. Sana makahanap ako, but just in case, at least medyo may comparison na kayo sa likod ng box. Okay guys, so let's finally unbox this thing and tignan natin kung ano talaga yung kasama sa packaging ng GMA Affordabox. Okay guys, so sa start ng video na to, sinabi ko mag-raw unboxing tayo pero medyo na-OC ako. So tinabi ko yung box pero papakita ko pa rin sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng packaging. So this is the GMA Affordabox itself. Medyo mas maliit siya than I was expecting it to be, which is good since smaller footprint, meaning hindi siya nakakasagabal sa mga ibang appliances ninyo. Pwede siya magkasya siguro sa baba ng TV. And I do have a pro tip. Medyo may plastic siya na protection on top and of course across yung digital screen niya na makita natin mamaya. Pero natatakpan niya yung vent. And then yung tinanggal ko siya, nasama din yung warranty sticker unfortunately dito. So pro tip na lang, tanggalin nyo pero ingatan nyo yung warranty sticker since I think I voided my warranty. Pero yeah, yun na lang. Learn from my experience. Huwag nyo akong tularan. But yes, this is the unit for the GMA Affordabox. Okay guys, so since napag-usapan na natin yung warranty na na-void ko, again, ingatan nyo please yung warranty sticker na yon. Ito yung documentation na kasama ng GMA Affordabox. You have the warranty card, which again, na-void ko na yung warranty. Sad life na lang ako. And then, if you're gonna be buying this online, I actually don't know how to get the store copy. Maybe that's something that you can chat about if you do decide to purchase this. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase this guys, and then chat na lang yung seller and make sure that you fill this out and then send it to them, or again, keep your receipts. That's something that at least can prove na binili nyo nga to. Then you have the user manual, and then this is a quick guide. Next up guys is the antenna, and I'm glad na mahaba yung cord nito dahil you want this siguro kung kaya sa labas ng bahay or at least by your window para mas madami kayong channels or at least mas malinaw yung picture quality makuha nyo. Again, we're gonna be trying this out later. Hopefully maganda yung signal makuha natin dito sa lugar namin. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're gonna be setting this up later. And then the last items inside the packaging guys, you have the audio video cables, the remote control, and I'm very glad that they included batteries. So that's pretty much everything that comes inside the GMA Affordabox box. Okay guys, so before we get to the setup of the GMA Affordabox, gusto ko lang pakita yung likod sa inyo para makita nyo yung input and output. Of course, meron siyang antenna in and antenna out. May coaxial audio input. may HDMI port, and of course, yung audio-visual input. Now, I will be using the HDMI port for this one, pero note ko lang, nakita nyo sa unboxing, wala siyang kasamang HDMI cable, guys. Meron na akong spare dito sa bahay. So, if you want to use it, make sure na meron kayong HDMI cable. Okay guys, so nakabit na namin yung Affordabox dito sa TV namin. And I just want to say, ito yung 19-inch TV from our friends over at Extreme. Gusto ko lang i-mention yun kasi kita nyo naman guys, kahit na ganun lang yung size ng TV nyo, kasyang-kasya yung Affordabox sa ilalim niya. So, space saving siya in that sense. Okay guys, so we skipped the initial screen for the setup para hindi nyo makita yung location namin. And right now, it's doing a channel search kung ano yung mga channels na available dito sa area namin guys. And again, depende talaga sa area nyo kung ano yung channels na makukuha nyo. Right now, of course, may GMA, may CNN Philippines, and if you can see it on screen, may Rock of Manila, Light TV, and then teleradyo and other stuff like that. And then of course, yung antenna nyo, gusto nyo as far as possible kung maaari sa labas ng house nyo para makasagap siya ng mas malakas na signal. So ito na guys, naka-setup na siya. We're currently watching some GMA. Of course, sila yung channel 1 since GMA Affordabox nga naman siya. So since sila yung pinakaunang channel na makita nyo. And if you can see it on screen, the signal strength is 80% and the quality is 100%. Of course, that may change depending on your area. But I can say confidently, maganda yung picture quality niya guys. Pero again, adjust your expectations kasi dependent nga siya sa signal strength na makakuha nyo. Okay guys, so right now we're testing out the multimedia player functions of the GMA Affordabox. As you can see, may naka-plug in na USB sa Affordabox mismo and it's playing the F2 Pro review that I released on our YouTube channel yesterday. 100% working naman siya guys. But a few notes. Number one, kailangan yung USB nyo naka-format to FAT32 or NTFS. And then may certain file systems lang siya supported like AVI, MPEG, and MKV. Everything is in the manual guys, but I'll try to put it up on screen as well. Yun lang naman, gumagana naman siya. Just take note of those few things. Okay guys, so yung last thing na susubukan natin with the GMA Affordabox is yung personal video recording function. First things first, again, make sure you have a USB plugged in and naka-format siya to FAT32 or NTFS. After that, you just hit the record button on the remote control. And that's pretty much it guys. May makita kayong yellow dot na nagbe-blink dun sa corner ng screen. That's just to signify na nagre-record nga yung Affordabox. And then to play back what you just recorded, just hit USB on the remote control. Go to PVR, GMA Affordabox files. And then ito yung pinakahuling re-record namin. There you have it. It's playing back. Then just press the red button para mag-full screen siya. And then there you have it guys, na-record nyo na yung show na hindi nyo mapanood dahil busy kayo. That's it. Tapos na yung video. That has been my quick unboxing for the GMA Affordabox. Again, yung presyo is 888 pesos and I'll leave a link down below that will take you to their Lazada flagship store. Now, I'm not sure kung available na to sa mga mall, pero just to be safe guys, stay at home na lang, order it through Lazada. Better be safe than sorry. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. Kung may mga questions pa kayo, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, stay safe guys. Bye.